Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make one of these two exercises. As we can see on this drawing, on this page we have two of them, and today we're gonna make the first one. And here we have the 3D model with the dimensions and with a section view right here with a section plane. And we have to fulfill these three things. And to do that, first we'll have to make this 3D part. For those of you that don't want to make this 3D part and want to get to the end of the video where we're gonna make this, I'm gonna put in the description some timestamps to go directly there, because in the last video that I made a similar exercise, somebody said that it took too long to make this and this one was too short, so, or yeah, something like that. So first, to show you this, I have to make this. So let's go ahead and make this together. This is what we'll have at the end of this video, this 3D part, and this, the 3 points from our exercise. Alright, let's go ahead and open a new SolidWorks document, select here part, and let's make this plain white. And now we'll start with a sketch in the top plane. And here let's make two circles. And with Smart Dimension, let's define them. This one will have 44 millimeters in diameter, and the small one will have 30. Now go to Features, use Extruded Boss Base command, and here will be 44. Press here OK. And now let's select this face and let's open a new sketch. And here select line and let's make something like this. Select this line with this edge and select here make tangent. Make this line horizontal and this one also horizontal. Alright, now select this line with this edge and select here make tangent. Nice, now with Smart Dimension, let's give a dimension to this line and here will be 88. Alright, and now select this edge and select here convert entities command. Now with trim entities command, let's cut this extra part. And now let's go to Features and use Extruded Boss Base command. Now I'll have to reverse here the direction and here the depth will be 15. Press here OK. And now select fillet and the radius will be 10 millimeters and we'll have to select this edge with this one. Now press here OK. And now we'll open a new sketch on this face and here let's select straight slot and let's make in this middle point 1. Actually not like that, let's make it like this. And then select this point with this line and select here make midpoint. Alright, now with Smart Dimension, let's give here a radius and it will be 10 millimeters. And now from this point to this one, here will be 54. Now let's select center rectangle and let's make a rectangle right here. Now with Smart Dimension, let's give a dimension for this line and here will be 4 millimeters. Now let's go to Features and use Extruded Cut. And here we'll select True All. Press OK. And now this is the 3D model for this. Now to make it into a drawing, we'll have to go up here to this arrow, go to File, and select Make Drawing from Part. First we'll have to save it. And then here we're gonna select the sheet size. We'll go ahead with A4, press OK. Now we'll insert the views that we need. So we see here that we need top view, section front view for this plane AA and right side view. We're gonna insert first the top view. We can see here on the right top view, left click and drag it just like this. And now press OK. Now let's go here on the right to view palette and let's take from here right view. Let's place it right here, press OK. And now we have to make that section view. To do that, go here on the left at drawing, select section view, select from here this one, horizontal, and let's place it in this center point, press OK, and now just drag it down. Now this is the section front view for that plane we have on the drawing. Let's take a look. So it's exactly what we need. We have here the top view, the section front view AA, and the right view, right side view. Alright, and this was the tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I will try to answer them. This was it for today. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next one.